It's been a minute since I checked on the status of the package I ordered on Amazon. What? No way. It's here! What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It has been a minute. I think it's been like a month since I posted my last video. But the reason is because I've had some stuff on order for the truck. And as you just saw, I had to do a little quick wardrobe change, but it's finally here today and we are going to unbox it. Now what this is the VZ4X4 grill I ordered off Amazon. It's supposed to fit the 2016 to 2020 Chevy Colorados, but I looked at tons of pictures of it and it looks like it should fit. So this is honestly just going to be a send it, and we're going to try and see if we can get it to fit and work. If it does and it lines up the way I'm hoping it will, it's going to look freaking sweet. So without further ado, let's get started. So it came in 2 packages. I'm not sure why. I'm wondering because it says that it has interchangeable letters in it. I'm going to start by opening up the smaller package, which I'm assuming is the letters, and we'll see what we got. So let's go ahead. Surprised this knife is even still sharp. Oh yeah, there we go. So there are letters. C-H, yep, got everything in there. So there's our Chevrolet letters, all black. I think I can order the different colored letters, but all black's what I'm going for anyway, so it worked. Now time for the PAs of resistance, ladies and gentlemen. The grill itself, let's dig into it. Now I will say, I did order this through Amazon and it came through in FedEx. I thought FedEx or Amazon was doing their own deliveries now, but I guess not on everything. But it did have some damage here. I got a hole and a break in the box, and I did have a small hole in the top, so hopefully nothing's broken. I'm kind of scared. I'm gonna assume this is our wiring harness. Wiring harness. Sweet. Looks actually pretty simple. Looks like it might plug right in to some slots on the right inside the truck. So probably be pretty easy to hook up or get an adapter for, since I'm assuming my truck doesn't have the adapter for it. Grill. I am excited. I'm so stoked right now. Like, I've been wanting to get this grill for a minute. Oh my gosh. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I'm so stoked right now. All right. Oh my gosh, I'm so stoked for this right now. There she is. Oh, I love that. Now, I don't have anything wrong with the Chevy Colorado bumper as it is, or grill, but this is way more aggressive in my opinion. You've got these lights here. These are those hazard lights I was talking about. Those will all light up. You can change these out to whatever color you want. This is it, and I'm so freaking stoked for it. It looks so good. I'm really excited about it. I'll be doing a video of the install. Hopefully, like I said, everything goes smooth, because this was for the 2016, but I can't imagine there's going to be a huge enough difference in the 2016 and the 2015 to where this won't fit. So I'm super excited about it. Keep an eye out for the video of the install. And guys, always remember, take what you can and give nothing back.
Now, bring me that horizon.
I'll make you regret it!